Today I'm going to teach you how to add Klaviyo users to your account. This is a great way to collaborate with team members and delegate tasks within your marketing platform. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your browser and head over to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can manage all your email marketing campaigns and automations. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the configuration area where you can manage various aspects of your Klaviyo account, including team members and permissions. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll notice several options. Click on User. This section is specifically designed for managing who has access to your account and what level of control they have. It's important to assign the right roles to ensure your team can work effectively while maintaining security. In the Account section, you'll see a button that says Add New User. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll begin the process of inviting a new team member to join your Klaviyo workspace. A form will appear prompting you to input details. Type in the email address of the person you want to add to your account. Make sure you enter it correctly, as this is where they'll receive their invitation. Next, click the drop-down menu under User Role. Here you'll see different role options, each with varying levels of access and permissions. Choose the role that best fits what you want this person to be able to do within your account. Whether they need full administrative access or just the ability to view campaigns, selecting the right role is crucial for maintaining proper workflow and security. After you've selected the appropriate role, click Add User. This sends an invitation to the email address you provided. The system will process your request and fire off an email to the new user. Now, here's an important step. The person you invited needs to check their email and accept the invitation. Without their acceptance, they won't be able to access your Klaviyo account. Once they click the acceptance link in their email, they'll be officially added to your account and can start collaborating with you. And that's it. You've successfully added a new user to your Klaviyo account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.